Morning, Nati Smith, ABC of waterproofing. Today we're doing a little demo on overlaps of self-adhesive waterproofing. I've got my heat gun, not a very expensive one, just a cheapo Ryobi. And here we've got a small weld we're going to do. Obviously you need to use your safety gloves while the hot air gun is heating up. And we want to just compare heating up versus glue. So the process is very simple. Not too much heat, because then you'll see the bubbles forming. A little bit of bitumen squeezing out on the sides. And here I did a glue sample and a weld sample, and I just want to compare the two. The glue, you can quite clearly see the glue definitely working. However, let's compare. The welding is giving me a better bond because I can see the actual tearing of the two bitumens. So my recommendation is welding and not gluing. Self-adhesive waterproofing, 2mm thick, available in South Africa. Thank you very much. Nati signing off.